Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to add guest name in Agoda. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your web browser, and then so on the search bar simply type in agoda.com and then sign into your account. Now once you're signed into your account, in order to add guest name, what you need to do is simply select a hotel that you want for your destination. Once you have selected the hotel, you'll be landed on the customer information page. Now here on the contact details option, you'll be seeing make this booking for someone else as well. Simply click on it, and once you check on that small box, you'll be seeing the guest's information as well. So this is the way to add guest name in Agoda. Now enter in the information of the guest as well, and once you are done with that, all you gotta do is follow the process and then enter in your card details, and lastly click on book now, and your booking will be confirmed. And that's basically how to add guest name in Agoda. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.